I look uncomfortable. I'm not. I mean, after all, I'm in love with my toilet paper. Oh my gosh, I'm embarrassed. Embarrassed of what? I have on these glasses for one. Men's Health. Known to be Men's Health medication. I'm embarrassed. What if I keep going to the bathroom? What if I keep going? Well, I know I am going to keep going to the bathroom because I can always predict when I'm having a bad bladder day. But it really isn't a date. Technically, it's kind of like an appointment, but because of the type of job that he has, I need all types of people on my team because having an overactive bladder at times can really get expensive. So any minute now, my doorbell should ring so I can spend some time with this plumber and see what he's all about. Oh my gosh, he just rung the doorbell. Okay. Deep breath. Okay, truth be told, I met this guy online, but everything seemed like everything but because he said he was a plumber, and I am having some issues right now with my toilet. This is bad. Okay, we should see how this goes. Oh Lord, I shouldn't have done this, but I did. Oh well. Hey, come on in. Right this way. Let's chill over some toilet paper, I guess. I'm so glad you can make it. You look nice. Well, come on in. Well, let me give you a mini tour. How about that? Bathroom. There's no one in there. It's not me, it's no one in there. We'll get to that in a minute. So, yeah, this is the bathroom. Tub, shower, yeah, my favorite place to be, which is the toilet. If you want to know about overactive bladder, I'm your girl. Oh, you were in school you were in medical school one time? That's crazy. So maybe some things you might can share with me. Okay. Well, I tell you what. I'm just gonna be straight up with you. Only reason why I currently have, because normally my lid is up, okay? You know, I know some people like their lids up, down, but however they can do it.
Our bladder is an important organ.
What did you ask me? Why am I chill like this? I'm just chilling. Oh, I only changed because I felt like you wasn't quite looking at me enough. So, what do you think about this shirt? Do you like this one better? I'm just kidding. So, what do you want to talk about? I look uncomfortable. I'm not. I mean, after all, I'm in love with my toilet paper. Having overactive bladder, you'll find yourself in love with things that aren't always the norm to some people. So this is my life. But enough about me. What do you want to talk about? Okay, fine. I will not be posed like this if it's making you feel uncomfortable, kind of. You know what? I am uncomfortable. But to tell you the truth, I was only posed like this to kind of soften things up a bit in order to ask you a question. Okay, the question is, do you mind lifting up my toilet lid? Before you got here, I was having some complications. Like I have this complex if I flush the toilet too much that I am spending too much money. spending too much. See, somebody said that to me. Like every time you, well, anyhow. Do you mind though, kind of helping me out since you are a plumber and all? I just didn't want you to think that I had invited you over here just to use you and that I wasn't interested, but really I am, because I mean, you are a plumber and you have some skills and you might can help me in more ways than one. But let's just start here though, you know, with the toilet. And promise me, no judgment, whatever you might find in the toilet, because honestly, it's just really just gobs and gobs of toilet paper. Because again, I don't always flush. Is that bad? Like, can you give me your expertise? Like, will I run into more problems down the road not flushing properly? And then also, what do you think about just teaching me how to flush? Not flush, but like if I run into this problem again and say you're not available, you know, I want to be able to do it myself. So what do you say? Can you help me out? Great. I knew this was going to be a wonderful meetup. And then let me tell you, whatever you want to do, well, not whatever you want to do, but like whatever you want to talk about, like, I don't know, like, what did you just say? This just brings back memories as to why you did not finish or go through with medical school, because everybody seemed to have a problem and always need something. But you found out it happens the same with being a plumber, but you make also good money, but it's just less stress. Well, glory. I'm glad you found that out. This is crazy. I can't believe I'm actually having this conversation and you're over here though. But you are good looking though, so it's all good. Okay, let's go to the bathroom, shall we? I'm excited. I'm so excited. Okay, to the bathroom we go. No, before I turn this light on here, before we enter all the way into the bathroom, I need to know, is there well, let me turn the light on. Is there going to be a charge? I mean, because maybe you can just tell me how to do it and I can just figure it out and do it myself, maybe. Or I could always just possibly Google it. But that's okay. You're here. This is your expertise. So let me just lift up. Oh, I'm so embarrassed. Okay, go ahead. Take a look. See, I don't know why I don't have proper pressure of water, like when I flush the toilet. It just doesn't always, toilet paper doesn't, and now it's overflowing. So what am I supposed to do? Oh, just get some water, some hot water, and put it in the toilet bowl. Not the tank, but the bowl. Okay, yes. And it should go down, but you're gonna do it. Oh, such a dear. Thank you.